Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our last matchup this Saturday. It's the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds, kung saan po makakasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christina Reyes, and we are now live here again at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa magandang laban po nitong ating dalawang kupunan. And of course, mapapanood pa rin po tayo ng live sa ating mga Facebook pages, sa ating Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. Kaya pag-usapan po natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Wala pa po silang talo all throughout this elimination round of our Bucal Season 6. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds, meron na po silang isang panalo at 6 na talo. Kung kaya ngayong hapon na ito, we will determine who will bring home the win this afternoon. Will it be the NCF Tigers or the UNC Greyhounds? At sa atin pong mga team bahay, ayan po, feel free to comment down below all your shoutouts dahil babasahin po natin yan maya-maya. And of course, sa ating team live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, sigurado makakakita sila ng panibagong magandang laro between these two teams. Kaya yan ang ating pakaabangan ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, the NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng performance nila all throughout the season. For our elimination round, walang talo. Napakaganda ng performance and they really dominate the season of Bucal. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, update natin dyan.
Magandang hapon din and magandang hapon din sa ating viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page. Welcome to the exciting game between the matchup between the UNC Greyhounds and the NCF Cubs. I'm your courtside reporter from the side of the NCF Cubs. I am Unibersidad and we're all set for an action-packed game as both teams are fired up and ready to dominate the court. The Cubs, known for their fast break and mabilis na gameplay, will be facing off against the Greyhounds who bring a lot of energy and power. Siguradong walang bibitaw as the final buzzer starts. The Cubs are also planning to start the game strong and play the game unselfishly. Let's see if they'll manage to stick to the system that we set. Handa na ba kayo? Stay tuned. It's going to be an intense game only here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Bida and Bicolano, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for now sa side ng Cubs. Back to you, Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, the NCF Tigers this afternoon is really determined to get their win at makauwi ng walang talo for this season of Bucal. And as we can see on their last performances, talaga namang kitang-kita natin na sa kada laro po ng ating ACLC or ng ating NCF Tigers, talagang binibigay nila yung kanilang best, kung kaya yan na yung maganda. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds needs to step up right now to get their win. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, update natin dyan.
What a gloomy Saturday afternoon here at the Ateneo Gymnasium. This is your courtside reporter Maui Balane reporting from the bench of the UNC Greyhounds. Coming off from a sweet victory, the Greyhounds hopes to continue their win streak for the Grey and Red, battling with a formidable team, the NCF Tigers. According to Coach Boyet, that the team needs to play smart, stick with their game plan. They also had some strategic adjustments prior to this game, and he also hoped that everybody will step up as this will be their key to win this game. Now for more live actions, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, handang-handa din ngayong hapon na ito ang ating UNC Greyhounds for this matchup. But on that last sequence, that first three-pointer coming from the side of the NCF Tigers, dagdagan mo pa yan ng isa pa from RD Vargas, yung ating last best player of the game from the last matchup of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see, as the UNC Greyhounds still fighting for their win for this season of Bucal. Now, another turnover here for the side of the NCF Tigers. We can really see the determination between the players of the NCF. Pero, magang turnover para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. But, a great way to start here para sa isang tres sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see as we continue this first quarter of the game. Jersey number 23 now passed to jersey number 0. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Miscommunication on their side. Now, ito yung kailangan na pagtrabahuhan talaga ng UNC Greyhounds kasi as we all know, ito yung nagiging problema nila since the start of the season. Now, let's see. Ike or Supin passes to jersey number 12, Vargas. No good. Ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 23, no good on that one. Nagmamadali dito. Vargas gets that ball. Passes to Loria. 18 seconds to shoot. Supin tries for 3. Still no good. Now, rebound coming from jersey number 24, Gurubat. Now, Reyes passes to Galano. Now, Galano. Going inside, heavily guarded here by the NCF Tigers. Now a steal from their side, Borromeo getting it. A start for the NCF Tigers. And with that, an early timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. An exact 8 minutes remaining para sa ating first quarter. 7-0, nothing run po. And let's have a quick replay of that Borromeo having that easy too para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now, yung ating UNC Greyhounds, ito yung kailangan nilang pagtrabahuhan ngayon dahil nahihirapan sila doon sa depensang ipinapakita ngayon ng mga Tigre. And at the same time, yung kanilang offense dito, kailangan din nila pag-igihan as we continue the first quarter of the game. And of course, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors sa ating Aman Engineering Enterprise, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and Wow Worlds of Water. Now we are back on the ball game. 7-0 nothing run at 8 minutes para dito sa ating first quarter. And as we can see, yung mga key players sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, Vargas, Supin, Borromeo stepping up for the team. And of course, lahat talaga ng mga players dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers ay talagang contributing to really give a point here for their team. Now let's see as the side of the UNC Greyhounds still hungry for their first basket here. Now, UNC Greyhounds on the offense. Jersey number 7 now, Lumberio. Tries, no good. Borromeo nagmamadali dito. He's still from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ball will go on the other side. Now Galano. No good. Tries one more time and that's it para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Courtesy of Korobat. 7-2 on our scoreboard. Now Supin. Still on the lead itong ating NCF Tigers. Good performance coming from them. Borromeo. Passes to Supin. Now on the corner for RD. No good. Offensive rebound but the UNC Greyhounds steal that ball. Bars for 3 an air ball pero an offensive rebound getting that second chance point from Samurin. Ito yung kailangan na UNC Greyhounds consistency on their side. Now RD tries. 10 seconds on their shot clock. Borromeo fires long 3. No good. Gurubat with that rebound. Let's see as the UNC Greyhounds have a chance here to lessen the gap. The ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 3 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds and they need to take this opportunity para mas mapalapit pa dun sa puntos ng NCF Tigers because it will be hard for them na humabol kapag medyo napalaki na yung kalamangan dito. In and out ball on that 3-pointer. Sayang yun para dito kay Galano. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Medyo mabilis yung ating palitan dito ng oras. Now sa team. Pass to RD. RD to Borromeo. No good. Gorobat with that rebound. UNC now on the offense. Pass on the corner here to Alano. Alano getting it. No good. Pero kuha muli ng UNC Greyhounds yung kanilang bola. Galano. Or Alano, I mean. And that an easy 2 para dito kay jersey number 17 sa Morin. And with that, 1-point lead na lamang ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Now this is a good start for this good matchup of the UNC and the NCF. RD, miscommunication here. And dito na tayo sa malaking oportunidad ng UNC Greyhounds to get the lead against the NCF Tigers. At yung 7 points na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers, kanina pa nila nagawa yan. And up till now, hindi pa sila nakakausad sa 7 points na yan. Now jersey number 8, Comprado. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. That's a point here coming from Gorobat. And with that, grabe, 8 puntos na straight po yung nagawa ng UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating first quarter. At napahinto nila yung NCF Tigers sa paggawa ng mga puntos dito. Now Aike passes to Borromeo. Borromeo with 5 seconds on the shot clock, tries for 3. Still no good on the side of the NCF, but Lorio was there for a second chance point. Ito talaga yung isa sa mga highlight ng laro ni Loria. Nasa baba, laging binabantayan. And of course, laging andyan for a second chance point here. Now, Grobat passes here. On the inside, try. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Loria with that height advantage gets that ball. RD, bars for 3. Mukhang yung mga trust ngayon ng NCF Tigers hindi umuubra. Nagmamadali dito for a fast break sa Morin. A timeout was called here. 9-10 on our scoreboard. A 1-point lead yung hawak ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds with 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Now a good momentum on the side of the UNC Greyhounds dahil doon nga sa pag-uumpisa ng ating first quarter, itong ating NCF Tigers yung nakakuha ng mga unang puntos. Pero with the help of all the teammates of the UNC Greyhounds, nagawa ng paraan. At meron nga sila ngayong 1 puntos na kalamangan against the NCF Tigers. And shoutout din natin yung ating mga live viewers ngayong hapon na ito. Shoutout kay John Basales, kay Kim Monteroso, kay Jameson Branya, kay Mariala Berido, James Gabarda, at kay Cristina Valenzuela, pati na rin po kay Reggie Santa Rosa, Janelle Lorente at kay Mercy Palpalatok. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkakaban. Now it's the NCS basketball for our first quarter. Aike passes now to Borromeo. Borromeo back to Aike. 12 seconds to shoot. Borromeo again with the ball going inside. Tries. No good. UNC again with the ball possession, an opportunity here to take on the lead and to widen that gap. Ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Ball possession for them. Now Aike passes to Vargas. Kaya titignan natin. But a whistle foul there. Diamante will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Tatlong team foul na nga yung meron dito agad ang ating NCF Tigers. Diamante on the free throw line for 2 shots. Chance here to tie the game and even take on a 1-point lead against the UNC Greyhounds. No good on that first attempt of Chamante. Now let's see. That's good. Now we are tied on 10 all. First deadlock ng ating matchup ngayong hapon na ito. Now UNC's basketball. Jersey number 17, Samorin with that ball. Miscommunication there. Nabigyan pa nila ng oportunidad ito ang ating NCF Tigers makakuha ng puntos. Galano back on the court. Borromeo to inbound. 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Now on the corner, no good. UNC Greyhounds on the offense now. Pass to Samorin. Samorin tries for 3, no good. But the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. They're still deadlock on 10 all. Murillo. Papasok dito sa court. Now it's the UNC's basketball. 10 seconds to shoot here, loses it. Murillo on the run. Sutpi into inbound. Now to Aike. 20 seconds to shoot on their side. Now Aike. Tries. That's good. A 3-pointer coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Namunti ka nang makuha ng NCF, but Murillo was there to get it. Aike getting that 2 points. Now, napakabilis lang. 5 puntos na ngayon ang kalamangan ng UNC or ng NCF Tigers rather. Alano. Passes here to jersey number 12. Now on the outside for Galano. No good on that 3-pointer. Good defense here. Nagkakagawa ng bola. NCF Tigers gets that ball. Now Aike. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the other side. Murillo. Papasok sa loob. Back on the outside. Medyo malakas yung pader doon ng UNC Greyhounds. Galano. Passes to Samorin. Good assist there. And good communication between Galano and Samorin of the UNC Greyhounds. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining here. Murillo. Tries for a mid-range jumper, no good. Now, another opportunity for the UNC, but a steal. That will be a defensive foul. Ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds here. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now, Galano. Loses that ball. Steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Sutpin, muntikan nang mawala sa kanya. Now, di diretso. But now, a whistle foul there. Alano will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 15-12 of our scoreboard. That's good. Adding for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 46 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now heavily guarded here, Galano. Passes here on the corner to Alano. Fires for three, no good. Murillo was there for that rebound. Now let's see here. 28 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now on the inside, passes. No good. UNC heavily guarded here. Alano to Samorin. Samorin passes now to jersey number 18. Sayang yun para sa kanila. Supin on the inside. Loses it. UNC on the run with that last 1 second. And that's the end of our first quarter. 15-13 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for our second quarter of the game only here at the Aragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back on the ball game for our second quarter of the matchup of the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. At doon nga sa ating first quarter, nagbigay ng maraming puntos itong ating NCF Tigers pero agad naman nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds yung kanilang momentum. And let's see now dito sa ating second quarter what will be the action and the play of both teams. And dito sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter, 17-15. 2 puntos ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. But this is a good start for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Napakaganda nung ibinibigay nilang laban sa kada nakakalaban nila pero nakukulangan lang tayo. Pero this afternoon or this evening, as we can see the determination on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At we are tied on 17 all. The first deadlock para dito sa ating second quarter. Now let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Sapin with the ball. Passes here to Aike. No good. UNC on the run. Galano passes here to Samorin. 15 seconds to shoot. Tries for a tip 3. No good. Jacob with that rebound. Now Murillo. A whistle foul there. Siyempre pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga live viewers dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. And shoutout din sa ating mga nanonood po ng live dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And now the NCF Tigers need to double their effort now that we are going on a great matchup this afternoon. We are tied on 17 all. Now jersey number 18, a whistle foul there. 17 all para dito sa ating UNC versus NCF Tigers. 8 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Tigers, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
We're halfway through the second quarter and it's been an exciting matchup so far. The NCF Cubs are staying true to their plan earlier, which is pasensya sa opensa, playing with patience and control on offense. They've been making deliberate passes, looking for the best shot possible, keeping their composure and sticking up to their plan. As we approach the halftime, madami pa pwede mangyari, kaya balik muna sa'yo din. At ano bang masasabi mo sa mga pangyayari sa loob ng court?
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, itong ating NCF Tigers keep their composure right at it. Dahil nga, itong ating UNC Greyhounds talagang lumalaban din. But that's a quick 3-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. At ngayon nga, kung kanina lang pakinggan natin doon sa side ng NCF Tigers, pakinggan naman natin ngayon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds kung ano nga ba yung ginawa nilang game plan. Hi, Maui! Ano update natin dyan?
Yes, team, to think wisely and to communicate with the team better. In the most crucial moment is what the Greyhound needs to strengthen in order for them to notch a victory against the Tigers. Eager to challenge the opponent, Coach Boyet made some necessary adjustments that he wants to wrap up in his team. Now for more live actions, just tune in here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan lang. Ang ating USC Greyhounds, just like the NCF Tigers, they're really determined to get this win. And right after that, a three-pointer coming from the side of UNC Greyhounds. And now we are deadlock on 20 all. Napakagandang laban po ang ating napapanood ngayon. And sunod-sunod nga yung puntos na ginagawa dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. At walang nagpapaiwan. At kanina pa nga natin pa sinasabi itong mga matchup natin ngayong Sabado. Talagang napakaganda nung naging lineup natin. Hindi ka magsasawang manood ng Bucal ngayong Saturday because all of the teams are really ready to conquer. And they are all deserving to win this day. Now, on that last sequence, napakaganda nung offense na ipinapakita dito ng UNC Greyhounds. They just need to be consistent with this kind of game at bigyan ng magandang laban itong ating NCF Tigers. Now, NCF's basketball, Vargas, with 5 seconds to shoot here. Fires for 3. That's good! Ito yung hinihintay natin doon sa first quarter ng laro ng UNC and NCF dahil hindi nga medyo nagtira o tumira ng mga tres itong ating mga players ng NCF Tigers. But this second quarter, we can really feel that ayun na nga, muling bumabalik yung opensa na ipinapakita before nitong ating NCF Tigers. Now, 25-22, napakadali lang makuha yung kalamangan dito sa lamang ito kaya hindi kailangan magpakampante nitong ating UNC and NCF. Now, there's a whistle foul there. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining dito sa second quarter. 25-22. Now jersey number 8. Comprado passes here to Lumberio. Tries, no good. NCF Tigers. Napakabilis lang ng oras natin. We're halfway through our second quarter. Now, NCF on the offense, Sutpin. Pass here on the inside. Para dito kay Delovieres. Ngayon, the UNC Greyhounds needs to do something here. Great defense from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Lumberio with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Now on the other side, para dito kay Comprado. No good. NCF nakuha yung bola. A 5-point lead ang hawak nila dito. Will this be a chance for the NCF Tigers na mas mapalaki pa yung kalamangan nila? And that's a 3-pointer coming from Cummins. Ito yung sinasabi natin na hindi dapat napakawala ng mga NCF Tigers yung kanilang opensa dito. Dahil kung magsimula na, medyo mahihirapan yung ating UNC Greyhounds. But let's see, as we still continue our second quarter, 30-22. Now, yan, bumami naman agad itong si Gorobat para sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, Sutpin. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Jacob with the ball. Passes now to Cummins. Cummins again, fires a 3, no good. A whistled foul there. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Sutpin for a long 3, no good. UNC, pero nakuha muli ng NCF Tigers. Diamante, no good on that attempt. Now heavily guarded here by Santiago. UNC, Gorobat, taking up their time here. Comprado. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Tries, in and out ball. Gorobat was there for a second chance. Still no good. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Sutpin again with the ball. The pass is to Cummins. Cummins fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound here. Sutpin with the ball. Going inside. Making it through. No good. Magkakagawa ng bola dito. Now, UNC, still no good at this time. They need to double their effort because the NCF Tigers mas determinadong makuha yung puntos dito. Pero that will be an 8 seconds violation. Chance for the UNC Greyhounds. Now Samurin with the ball. Samurin to inbound. No on the corner para dito kay Alano. 10 seconds to shoot. And that goes inside. Ito yung kailangan nila, paunti-unti lang pero kalmado yung kanilang laro. And to make sure that every ball possession will give them a point. Now Cummins with the ball. Passes here on the corner. Delovieres on the inside. No good. Cummins again. for his second chance point here. Now let's see as we continue the second quarter. Alano loses it. The passes here to Lumberio. Lumberio fires for three. No good. And at this time, a whistle foul there. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 32-26. 6-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now, Samorin fires for three. A good comeback for the UNC Greyhounds. What will be the answer of the NCF Tigers on that three-pointer? Now, Camins pass to Lovieres. Ike now with the ball. Pass through inside. And a whistle foul. Now, jersey number 10, John Gabriel Santiago on the free throw line. A minute and 29 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Or our second quarter, rather. Santiago. That's good for the first basket. Now let's see on the second attempt of Santiago here. UNC is now on the penalty. No good on that one, but an offensive rebound coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Diamante passes through Santiago. Now Borromeo to Ike. Now to the other side for Camins again. Borromeo heavily guarded, double team here. But a 24 seconds violation here. And the timeout was called from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. A minute and 15 seconds remaining, 33-29. A 4-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now this is a good second quarter that we're seeing. And all of the players of the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds are really contributing for their team's effort. Now, a quick shout out to our live viewers this evening. Shout out to Brian Ayo, Coach Brian, Dexter Sales, Miles Buban, and Julie Shallow. Thank you for watching and tuning in for our last matchup this Saturday. And also to our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lamon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Now, we are back on the ball game. Still a 4-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. This will be the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds as they are on a 4-point run. Now a steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Diamante with that fast break, making it a 6-point lead here. Now what will be the adjustment or the gameplay of the UNC Greyhounds now with that tight defense of the NCF Tigers? Now a whistle foul there. Alano will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Last 50 seconds of our first half. Alano. That's good for the first free throw. Now let's see. On the second free throw, they can lessen the gap here of the NCF Tigers. UNC on the penalty. 50 seconds remaining. Alano. No good. But an offensive rebound here. Basket count with a foul. Courtesy of jersey number 24, Gorobat. Now a good opportunity for the UNC Greyhounds here. A 3-point opportunity for Gorobat. 35-32. Now, Gorobat for his bonus free throw here. No good. Offensive rebound. That's a good comeback for the UNC Greyhounds here. This is the matchup that we've all been waiting for these two teams. 40 seconds remaining, 35-34. Now Bromeo. NCF on the offense now, Santiago. Passes on the inside here, Chamante. An easy peasy 2 points. And another steal here, Chamante getting it. And an easy 4 points. Another steal here. Back to back, Aike. 6 straight points coming from a steal of the NCF Tigers. And they will try one more time, but this time it will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 8 seconds remaining on our first half. Now let's see on that quick replay. And we have a timeout called here with only 3 seconds remaining. 41-34. They're just having a 1 point lead from the NCF. Then fast forward. Straight points coming from the NCF Tigers. Now let's see Diamante. That's his second point on that last sequence. And again, followed by Aike. Both teams are now on the penalty. 7 points is now on the back of the NCF Tigers. What a good first half for the matchup of the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. Now back to the ball game as we only have 3 seconds remaining. And a shout out to Yuli Base, Christian Ramos, Mark Del Rosario, Patricia Loral, at kay Tang Miranda. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. An easy gap for the NCF Tigers. Now Loria. 3 seconds. The steal from the side of the UNC. Gets it. And that's the end of our first half. 41-34 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for the second half of the game only here at Oracle Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
And we are back for the second half of the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the NCF Tigers. At doon sa pagtapos po ng ating first half, itong ang ating NCF Tigers, dire-diretso yung kanilang pagpuntos dito, making it 41-34. Napakabilis lang nung transition ng points dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. At kung makikita natin dito sa ating halftime analysis, napakarami pong turnover yung nagawa dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But for the points of turnover, 17 yung nagawa dito ng NCF Tigers at nagawan talaga ng paraan para maihabol at makuha yung kalamangan dito against the UNC Greyhounds. Now it's the Greyhounds basketball. Chance for them here to lessen that gap coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. But the Lobieres was there to steal that ball. And in and out. Ball para sa kanya. An offensive rebound on their side. Borromeo passes now to Aike. 10 seconds to shoot. De Lavieres to Diamante. Diamante inside. That's good. First basket for our third quarter. Now UNC Greyhounds. Gurabat is still here. Aike nagmamadali. Passes through Borromeo. No good. Now, the UNC Greyhounds laging or palaging humahabol dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Dean. With hard work and determination, nothing is impossible. With sweat and bloody efforts, the Greyhounds give their all in the hopes of beating the #1 seeded team in the league. Coach Boyet wanted to seal the light in the faces of the Greyhounds, noting na wag madaliin ang laro at wag sayangin ang sinimulang laban. Now for more live actions, tutok lang dito sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, kahit #1 itong ating NCF Tigers sa ating Division 1, hindi ito alintana para sa UNC Greyhounds na talagang lumaban at magbigay ng magandang laro ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, they are really doing their best to extend their point here against the NCF Tigers. 45-34 in our scoreboard. But on the other side, the NCF Junior Cubs having this big gap against the UNC Greyhounds. And to hear an update, andyan po si Zai. Zai, balita natin dyan.
Then here we go into the third quarter, wherein the Cubs have taken the lead. Nagiging epektibo nga ang kanilang pasensya sa offense. But now, Coach Al has given them new instructions, which is take and look, screen, and attack. They've also added a box strategy, which is a classic but effective strategy. The Cubs are setting the box formation with using screen on both sides to create space for their shooters or their attackers to drive to the hoop. Yan lamang ang kanilang game plan for this quarter. That's all for now. Back to you, Din.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, hindi din naging kampante itong ating NCF Tigers kahit nasa kanila yung napakalaking kalamangan dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. They're still doing their best to get this shot and to gain a point here and to, of course, tighten their defense as well against this UNC Greyhounds. And now, a 13-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Chance here for the Greyhounds to lessen that gap. Now tries for three, no good. Ball will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 47-34 doon sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Medyo napabayaan ng UNC Greyhounds dyan. Now, NCF's basketball, Ike with the ball. Shout out to Kawaii Paradero, Casey Anchokya, Irene Tosok, and Saint Cortez na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Thank you so much for tuning in. And with that last sequence, the UNC Greyhounds calls for a timeout. Dahil dire-diretso nga yung pagpuntos ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. And they needed to do something about this. Dahil mukhang lumalayo na yung puntos ng NCF Junior Cubs dito against the UNC Greyhounds. And big thanks doon sa mga players ng NCF Tigers na talagang namang lahat gumagawa ng puntos dito. Ito din yung kailangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds na magkaroon ng magandang communication and to tighten their defense against the NCF Junior Cubs. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng ating GYMNASIUM na kahit medyo paggabi na po, talagang andito pa rin sila para suportahan itong ating dalawang koponan. At sa ating live audience also, or the live viewers sa ating mga Facebook pages, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining on our third quarter with 49-34 in favor of the NCF Junior Cubs. Mabilisan lang itong ating aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Now, back to the ball game. And a quick shout out din kay Mr. Mario Villanueva, the president of the Naga College Foundation, Ma'am Aida Piosea, and Nazareth Teb. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, it's the UNC's basketball. Needs to double their effort now. Alano passes, but a whistle foul there. To Submitted to jersey number 21 of the NCF Junior Cubs. Reyes on the free throw line. Now that's good for the second free throw. Now Ike passes to Diamante. 14 seconds to shoot for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Borromeo. And that's 18 points coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. We're halfway through our third quarter. Now Gorobat going inside, getting that point. Now they need this. They need to step up now, because the NCF Juniors with that big gap against them. Now still for the side of the UNC. Galano fires for three, no good. NCF on the run. Loria, a fast break for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. This moment, itong ating UNC girls nahihirapan na dito to gain a point. NCF taking their time here now. 12 seconds to shoot. That's a traveling violation committed by the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now it's the UNC's basketball. Jersey number 8, Comprado. I steal from the side of the NCF. Talagang matutulis itong mga players ng NCF Junior Cubs. Borromeo now with the ball. Shot clock down to 13 seconds. A whistle foul there. Now Borromeo on the free throw line. 53-37 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 40 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating third quarter. That's good. Now let's see. Alano passes here to jersey number 2. That's good. Bumawi naman dito para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Still, kailangan pa nila dito maraming puntos na bunuin. Borromeo passes now to Ike. Now on the inside. Napakaganda nun. UNC. NCF steals that ball. Vargas passes on the corner here for Ike. No good. Offensive rebound. 14 seconds to shoot here. One more time. Borromeo getting that basket, extending their lead here. Now Alano. Anong gagawin dito? Passes now to Lumberio or Comprado. No good. Ike. Passes on the corner here. Ordi ngayon may hawak na bola. Double team. Passes on the outside. Back to Borromeo. Fires for 3. That's good. Grabe yung paulan ng puntos dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Minutes and 8 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now Reyes. 2 free throws. That's good for the first basket. Now it's still the UNC's basketball. Samorin. Passes on the other side. Samorin again with the ball. It's still the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Seven seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 7 for a big 3 points. Lomberio bumawi para dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Now ito yung kailangan nila para maihabol yung napakalaking kalamangan, pero Romeo, no good this time. Now, UNC's basketball. Long pass here para kay Reyes. On the other side, para dito kay jersey number 4. Good assist there. And with that, timeout was called. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. 62-45 ang ating nasa talaan. Medyo napalaki na nga yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. But still, the UNC Greyhounds sumahabol. Paunti-unti at kalmado lang yung kanilang pagsunod sa puntos ng ating NCF Tigers. Gusto lang din natin mag-shoutout ng ating live viewers. Shoutout kay Evelyn Reyes, Vincent Saysayko, kay Karen Kayascaro at kay Carla May Calieja na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. And of course sa ating mga sponsors, sa Amal Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG Alagang number 1 at Department of Agriculture Bucal. Maraming salamat po. Now we are back on the ball game. Again, 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. 62-45 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see here as this is their ball possession. Vargas. Quick 3 here. A clean basket. Napakaganda ng combination itong mga players ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now a steal. Aike. It was a foul, and the ball will stay on the side of the Junior Cubs. Now ball possession still of the Junior Cubs here. 20 seconds. Vargas with the ball. Loses it. And it will stay on their side. Bormeo to inbound. 16 seconds to shoot. Vargas again to fires. 3. No good. But jersey number 21. No good pa rin. UNC secure that ball. Now. Jersey number 18. Now on the outside. Fires for 3. That's good. Para dito kay jersey number 8. Comprado. Now ito yung kailangan nila. Lot of 3 points. Pero Vargas pabawi. No good this time. The UNC needs to calm down. At talagang pag-igihan yung mga puntos. Offensive rebound on their side. Wala pa rin on that mid-range jumper. Another offensive rebound. But this time, NCF gets that ball. Now that's a long pass. So that will be a turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Now jersey number 17, Samorin. Passes here to Reyes. Now on the inside, getting that. 15-point lead of the NCF Junior Cubs. 47 seconds remaining. Vargas. Wrong pass here. UNC on the run. Loses it. Pero it will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Last 35 seconds of the third quarter. 65-50. Jersey number 8, Comprado to inbound. The pass here to Samorin. Back to Comprado. Reyes ngayon may hawak ng bola. 8 seconds to shoot here. Comprado. Mid-range jumper. No good. NCF with a rebound. Now Loria, solong-solo for that easy layup. 10 seconds for our third quarter. Now let's see. Gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds. But block. And that's the end of our third quarter. 67-50, 17-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the game. Only here at Oracle Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back for the fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, sa pagtatapos po ng ating third quarter, napalaki na po ng NCF Junior Cubs yung kanilang kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds. At may 17 puntos pong hahabulin itong ating UNC Greyhounds. And this is their last quarter, last opportunity, last chance to get this win against the NCF Junior Cubs. But hindi natin alam, napakahaba po ng 10 minutes. Will there be a change of momentum here? Now let's see as Gorobat heavily guarded here by the players of the NCF Junior Cubs. Passes here for Reyes. Here's number 17 now. Nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng NCF. Alano on the other side, libreng-libre. Consistent itong ating NCF Junior Cubs from the very start do sa ating first up to third quarter. Sunod-sunod yung kanilang puntos and also ang dami din nagagawa ng kanilang magandang depensa dito na nagkakaagawan ng bola. Ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Needs to double their effort now here. Yung 15 points na kalamangan ng NCF, kailangan na matrabaho nila yan bago pa matapos ang oras. Now UNC Greyhounds having a hard time during our third quarter. But let's see this fourth quarter if it will be a change of momentum and to hear kung ano nga ba yung plano dito ng UNC side. Let's hear it from Maui. Hey Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Thanks, Dean. We are now at the final stretch of this game, wherein the Tigers are still with a huge advantage against the Greyhounds. The pressure is on, however, Coach Boyet reminded his team that they are capable as long as they show their eagerness to put up a strong fight. This has been Maui Balani reporting from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, nafe-feel na ng UNC Greyhounds yung pressure ngayon with this matchup against the number 1 on our Division 1. But still, they need to double their effort at para mawala yung pressure, kailangan lang nilang gawin yung kanilang best para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. At ito nga ating on the other side, the NCF Junior Cubs at talagang comfortable doon sa kanilang 15-point lead, pero hindi pa natin alam kung anong mangyayari. At para makikita tayo ng update, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, update natin dyan.
Then we're now in the crucial fourth quarter, and things are heating up as the Cubs reach a 20-point lead. You can feel their confidence growing with every possession, but as expected, the Greyhounds aren't going down without a fight. Since naging physical ang laro earlier, bodies are colliding with both teams, battling hard inside the paint for every rebound. Makikita mo ang intensity as both teams are fighting for control. Can the Greyhounds make a comeback, or will the Cubs maintain their lead to their final buzzer? Comment down your thoughts with the hashtag Bucal Season 6 and hashtag Where the Future Lies. That's all here from the side of the NCF Cubs. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Azay. Ayan nga, komportable itong ating NCF Junior Cubs doon sa kanilang malaking kalamangan. But at the same time, they're not being complacent here. Dahil nasabi nga ni Zay dito na hindi nga magpapatalo itong ating UNC Greyhounds. And talagang magpapakita din sila ng magandang laban dito ngayong gabi. And quick shoutout lang kay Janaila Brenya. Yan, quick shoutout. Dating Jan Basales. Now Murillo on the free throw line. Now, ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Napakabilis lang po ng oras natin dito. We are now down to the last 7 minutes and 36 seconds of the game. Now Galano with the ball. Passes on the corner here. Back to Galano. Now Alano ngayon. A whistle foul there. Ayan, shoutout din natin si Kim Monteroso, kay Marniela Birido na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito, and kay Sofia Recto. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, Alano on the free throw line. 69-53 on our scoreboard. We only have 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Alano on his second free throw, that's good. Now let's see as the NCF Junior Cubs again with that ball possession. Murillo passes here to Cummins. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Borromeo. And that's a turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. John Santiago back on the court for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now jersey number 17 to inbound, Samurin. 14 seconds to shoot here. But a steal coming from Borromeo. One-on-one sila dito. But a whistle foul there. And shout out kay Marniela Birido na since first game talagang nakatutok na dito sa ating live coverage na mapapanood ng live dito sa Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-andabay. Now, Borromeo for his second free throw. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Now that's good for the second free throw of Borromeo. Now let's see as this is the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Alano with the ball. Samurin. Heavily guarded here by Borromeo. Galano passes through. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Santiago with that rebound. But a steal. The ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Borromeo. Set. 14 seconds on the shot clock of the UNC Greyhounds. Galano now. Passes here on the inside. But a steal for the NCF Junior Cubs. Pero muling nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds as Alano going in. And that's good. A basket para dito sa ating Greyhounds. 70-54. Or 56 na po para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Six minutes and 13 seconds remaining. 70-56 on our scoreboard. Now Aike with the ball. Passes here to Supin. "15 seconds to shoot here. Back to Aike. Now to Supin. Santiago loses it. It's there from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Alano libre dyan. Getting that basket. Now, unti-unting nababawasan ng UNC Greyhounds itong malaking kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. And they need to do this as fast as possible because we're halfway through our fourth quarter. Murillo releases, no good. Now, UNC chance again. 12-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Alano again. But this time, a whistled foul. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. NCF now on the penalty. Alano needs to make sure that this 2 free throw will go inside. That's good for the first basket. Now let's see for the consistency here. 70-59. That's good. Team basket para dito kay Alano. Now, kung kanina may 20 points na hawak itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, pero nakuha agad ng UNC Greyhounds yung maraming puntos at naibaba na nga sa 10. Aike. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes again to Supin. Supin fires for 3. No good. Now, chance here for the UNC Greyhounds. We need to be calm and make sure that this ball possession will be worth it. Now Reyes. Pass to Grobat. But nagkakaagawan na nga dito ng bola. Yan, pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, Biggs Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havellanas, Moen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. Now, back to the NCF's basketball. 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining with a 10-point lead coming from them. Murillo passes here to Supin. Now in the inside for Diamante. But a whistle foul there. He will be on the free throw line. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Still a long time here. At meron pang chance itong ating UNC Greyhounds to lessen that gap. First basket para dito kay Diamante. Now let's see for the second free throw. That's good. Now UNC on the offense now. Heavily guarded here, Diamante. Steals, Sutpin with that basket. Now a 2-2-1 defense coming from the NCF Junior Cubs. Diamante again steals that ball. And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because of that back-to-back steal, back-to-back points coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, Diamante. What a great man he is para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. 76-60 yung pinagtrabahuhan kanina na maibaba ng UNC Greyhounds sa 10. Ngayon, 16 points muli yung kanilang kailangang habulin. Shoutout kay James Angelo Gabada, kay Sofia Recto, kay Dylan Talagtag, kay Kyla Casulia, at kay Angel Tuplano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now we only have 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining on our time clock. And 16-point lead ang hawak naman po ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. And shoutout din tayo sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Shoutout kay Sofia Recto, Reggie Santa Rosa, kay Angel Atlao, Carla May Calleja, at kay Kyle Otero. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds as we are now down on the last 4-minute mark of the game. Alano fires, no good. Offensive rebound, but a whistle foul there. And the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Still a long time here. Alano on the free throw line for 2 shots here. NCF now on the penalty. That's good for the first basket. Alano for his second free throw. That's good. Lessening the gap of the NCF Junior Cubs. Still, the UNC Greyhounds meron pang laban dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now Supin. 13 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Ardy. Ardy fires for 3. No good. Rebound by the Greyhounds. Nagmamadali dito, Alano. Going inside. No good. And CF still have a big lead here for our fourth quarter. Now, Gloria passes to Ike. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Vargas, one hand. Medyo nawala na itong ating UNC Greyhounds doon sa pagsimula ng ating second half, and another steal from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Napakalapit na natin sa pagtatapos ng ating laro this Saturday. Matchup of the Greyhounds and the Tigers. Now, Ike. No good on that three-pointer. What will the UNC do at this moment? Passes on the corner, Alano. Step back. Passes on the outside. Mid-range jumper, no good. Tries one more time for Galano. Still no good. Now the NCF Junior Cubs taking their time here. Vargas with the ball. Shot clock down to 10. And that's the call. Last 2 minutes of the matchup of the UNC and the NCF. Diamante with the ball. Passes now to RD. Sutpin fires for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Loria. Ike. Back to Sutpin. Now on the inside. Loria. Taking it to another level. 80-62, big gap of the NCF Junior Cubs. Still struggling itong ating UNC Greyhounds on getting a point. Yan, shoutout dito kay AM Labsan at kay Kawaii Paradero. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now Ike. Vargas again tries for 3. This time, pasok muli para dito kay RD Vargas. Now UNC. Last 56 seconds. Bumawi din naman agad itong ating UNC Greyhounds with that 3-pointer. 83-65 and a timeout was called here. We only have 52 seconds remaining. At abangan niyo pa po bukas ang ating magagandang laro na hatid po sa inyo ng ating Bucal Season 6. Bukas po, unang game natin ay CSPC Blue Stallions versus the STI Olympians for our seniors division, the USI Falcons, and the Pasakaw Academy for the juniors division. Third game ang ating UNC Greyhounds versus Ateneo Golden Knights seniors division. At last game po natin bukas ay ang Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons para sa ating seniors division. Kaabang-abang po yung ating mga laro. At abangan nyo din po kung ano pa po yung ating magiging magandang laro na ihahatid po sa inyo next week. Now, we are back on the ball game with only 52 seconds remaining. 83-65, the NCF community cheering para dito sa ating junior Cubs. Now, this will be hard for the side of the UNC Greyhounds with that big gap. And with only a limited time remaining, 52 seconds. Now, it's the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. De Lovier is going inside, getting that basket. Taking on the lead here. 20-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, let's see Azalano passes to Galano. 15 seconds on the shot clock here. Gurobat na yan, may hawak ng bola. Back to Galano, fires for 3. No good. And CS basketball again. Last 20 seconds of the matchup. And I think we're just waiting for the confirmation here. 20-point lead of the NCF Junior Cubs. What a good fight we've seen this afternoon. A good performance coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Consistency is their key from the start of the first quarter up until this last quarter. The NCF Junior Cubs, no room for complacency, and they really give their best for this matchup against the UNC Greyhounds. But still kudos para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds for giving their all and for giving their best for this matchup this evening. And also, sa ating pagbabalik po, we will meet our best player of the game from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina,
basketball. Congratulations again to the NCF Cubs for securing an impressive victory tonight. And now nandito nga tayo kasama ang best player of the game, jersey number 11, Jake Raymond Diamante, with 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 6 steals. Halika na dito, Raymond. Grabe ang pinakita mo ngayong gabi. Congratulations. First of all, how does it feel to lead your team to victory?
Unang-una po, masaya po at nakuha namin itong panalo na to. At naglaro po kami as a team, hindi lang po isa, kundi as a team po, yun lang po.
Okay, so ang ganda nga ng teamwork ninyo, especially with your pasensya sa opensa mantra. Paano nakatulong ito sa pagkuha ng malaking lead ngayong araw?
Tungkol lang, ay sa depensa lang po. Depensa lang po talaga, pinupukusan namin. Nag-focus po kami sa defense para makuha po namin ang opensa, yun lang po.
Lastly, napansin namin na things got really physical sa final quarter. So, how did you and your team manage to keep your composure and secure the win?
Nag-ano lang po kami, nagtiwala lang po kami kay coach at tiwala lang kami, tapos ano kami po sa depensa, mumukus po kami sa depensa para makuha talaga namin ang opensa. Yun lang po.
Okay, Raymond, congratulations. So, halika na dito. May gusto ka bang pasalamatan, your friends, your family, your coaches, or your teammates?
Unang-una po sa lahat, thank you po kay Sir Mario. At binigyan ako ng pagkakataon para makapaglaro dito. At salamat din po sa NCF community na lagi pong nakasuporta sa amin. Shoutout din po sa family ko, dyan sa Legazpi. Yun lang po. Ay, shoutout din po sa mga ka-team ko. Yun lang po. Tapos shoutout din po sa aking girlfriend. Yun po. Salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat Raymond and congratulations sa'yo. There we have it again, our best player of the game, Raymond Diamante. And again, congrats on being tonight's best player. This interview is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, leaping into the future, supporting tonight's thrilling action. This is Shula Morizay Menano on Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for tonight. Kita-kits, mga viewers.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 11, Jake Diamante with 17 points, 5 rebounds, 6 steals, and 2 assists. A good matchup against the UNC Greyhounds. At abangan po natin bukas pa ang magagandang laban na hatid po sa inyo ng ating Bucal Season 6. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes at abangan niyo po yan dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.